All right, negative 5 to the third power. This is a really good calculator problem for us to discuss, okay? All right, it is negative 125. But let's talk about this, okay? Believe it or not, there are some things that I know, all right? Into your scientific calculator, if you just put negative and then you put 5 and then you hit the upside down V key and then you hit 3, all right, it's going to give you negative 125, okay? But you have to be careful, especially when the exponent is even, and in this case, is the exponent even or odd? The exponent is even because the exponent is what number? 3. Okay? Now, we just said anytime a negative is raised to an odd exponent, the answer is always negative. Okay, let's say that again. Anytime a negative number is raised to an odd exponent, the answer is always negative. All right, now I'm going to ask you to punch this in your calculator. This is not on the worksheet, but I just want to show you something about your calculator. I want you to do, didn't mean to do that, I want you to do negative 5 to the 4th. And as soon as you get an answer, shout it out. Okay, somebody said negative 625. Somebody says it needs to be positive 625. Anybody else get a different answer? All right, so this is important. We just talked about a negative being raised to an even power, and 4 is even, right? Okay, we said a negative raised to an even power was always a positive. So why are some of your calculators giving you the negative answer? Because it's not negative 625, it is positive 625. Does anybody know why your calculator is giving you a negative? Nobody? All right, I'm guessing if you got a negative, then you did not use parentheses. If you got a negative, you did not use parentheses. So you just said negative 5, upside down V key, 4. Okay? But if you'll look at the problem, the negative 5 is in parentheses. So if you punch this in your calculator, your negative 5 has to be in parentheses because that tells your calculator to do negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. If you don't put it in parentheses, what it tells your calculator is that the negative just stays there, and then you do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And this is a mistake that will haunt you over and over and over again in every math class that you take if you're not extremely careful. So what's a really good thing to do is if you're going to use your calculator and there's parentheses in the problem, then what are you going to put in your calculator? Put the parentheses in your calculator. Because we know a negative number raised to an even power is always positive. So that's just a little calculator issue. 2b, 1 to the 62nd power is 1. Negative 6 to the first power is negative 6. 9 to the first power is 9. Negative 10 in parentheses to the third power is negative 1,000. 9 squared is 81. 0 to the 54th power is 0. 1 to the 18th is 1. Be careful. Negative 4 in parentheses raised to the third power is negative, I know. Negative 64. And the last one, negative 5 raised to the first power is negative 5. Okay? So that is a review. I went ahead and videoed just this part because I forgot to hit video on the beginning part. So in number 6b, everybody listen real quick. What is the base in 6b? What is the base? 9. What is the exponent? 2. So that really means 9 times 9. 9 times itself 2 times, which is 81. Okay? So today was just a review of bases and exponents, a little bit information with negatives. Tomorrow we will actually go into the new part of the section called exponent rules. Okay?